In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sub-accounts in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to organize your chart of accounts so your reports are clearer and more useful. Sub-accounts let you break a broad category into meaningful pieces. For example, instead of one catch-all utilities account, you can track internet, electricity, and water separately while still rolling them up to the utilities total on reports. This keeps day-to-day entries simple and makes your profit and loss or budget versus actual far more insightful. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks company. Make sure you're in the correct company file and that you have permission to manage the chart of accounts. From the left menu, open the chart of accounts. Depending on your layout, you'll find it under bookkeeping or accounting. This list is the backbone of your books. Every transaction ultimately lands in one of these accounts, so it's worth taking a moment to confirm you're working in the right place. Next, create the account that will become your sub-account. Click the New button. Give the account a clear, descriptive name like Internet or Office Supplies. Marketing. Choose the account type and detail type that match how you want this to appear on reports. QuickBooks uses these types to group and subtotal balances, and sub-accounts must share the same account type as their parent. If your organization uses account numbers, follow the numbering pattern to keep things consistent. Now make it a sub-account. In the new account window, select the option to make this a sub-account, then choose the parent account from the drop-down. If you don't see the parent listed, it likely hasn't been created yet. Create the main parent account first so the hierarchy is clean, then return to set up the sub-account. Double-check the parent selection because moving accounts later can change how prior transactions roll up on reports. When you're confident, click Save. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep names short and consistent so they're easy to pick in forms. Use sub-accounts when you truly need reporting detail. If you rarely analyze a category, a single parent account might be simpler. After saving, run a profit and loss to confirm the new sub-account appears under the correct parent. And remember, you can edit the name or parent if needed. Just be mindful that changes affect past and future reporting. That's it. You've created a clear parent-child structure that gives you detailed tracking without cluttering your reports.